Hey bakers, it's Angela from Cake Angel and welcome back to my channel for another festive bake along. Today I'm going to show you how to make some vegan nut-free snowball cookies. So if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Let us know in the comments below if you're going to try these, and as always the full ingredients will be listed in the description below. Let's take a look at the process. So as you can see from my tray here, I have all my ingredients laid out ready for me, and that's always what I like to do before I start baking. It's just to get everything in place so that I'm not digging around for things once I start the process. And we're just using 5 ingredients today. This is a vegan recipe and it is also a nut-free one. Now traditionally snowball cookies do have nuts in them, but as I'm nut-free I decided to come up with a nut-free version instead. So I've started by mixing my plant-based butter in the mixer just for a couple of minutes to soften it up. Then to that you're going to add your icing sugar and some vanilla, and I've used my favorite vanilla bean paste for this. You want to mix that together until it's nice and combined, and then you're going to add the final 2 ingredients, which is our all-purpose flour and our pinch of salt. Now if you're looking for the quantities, check the description below this video. Everything that you need is there for you. Once that's fully incorporated, we're going to scrape down our attachment for the stand mixer, and then we're going to go ahead and start making the balls. Now for this I've just used a teaspoon. I'm roughly eyeballing this. You want to just keep going, have them about a 1-inch size, and just add them to your lined baking trays. You should also preheat your oven as well to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, and once your trays are full, pop them in the oven and bake for 18 to 20 minutes until they're lightly golden brown, as you see here. Now these look great, but what you want to do is let them cool for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to come back and we're going to turn them into snowballs, and you do that by dipping them in powdered sugar. This is so much fun. My kids wanted to do this and I wouldn't let them this time, but you could definitely do that and let them cool a little bit longer if you are going to have your kids dip them in the powdered sugar. So just go ahead and coat the tops and the bottoms and all the way around on the sides as well, and then you can put them back on your baking tray to let them cool completely before eating them. And I must admit, we did sneak a couple of these straight away and they do taste amazing. So I hope you've really enjoyed watching this video. These are really easy vegan nut-free snowball cookies. Let me know in the comments if you're going to have a go at baking them, and also make sure you check out my other videos for this year's Bakemas. Thanks for watching.